Hi lovelies, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of girly content on my channel. If that's something you like and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. So today's video is a very special one. I'm going to be unboxing a very special gift that I got yesterday from my husband, and this is a beautiful luxury piece that I've been wanting like forever, and I can't believe he got it for me. Long story short, we went yesterday to the mall in Boston, which is only like half an hour from me. So I was shopping around, and that was actually my first time going there in person. I normally shop on their website, but I didn't know that in the mall they do have the YSL section inside Neiman Marcus. So of course, knowing me, I immediately wanted to check out some pieces there just to see them and see them in person. So I spotted the piece that I've always wanted, and I think my husband noticed. So we walked away. I went to go make my purchase in the beauty section, and when I noticed, he came back with the item that I had spotted, and I couldn't believe it. It was like so sweet of him. I was ecstatic. That was just so sweet, and it was such a beautiful surprise. So I am going to be unboxing it today with you. Like I said, this is a luxury piece that I've forever wanted, and for one reason or another, I just never got it. So here is the bag. There is the little receipt. One thing I did notice is that they do not give you the actual boxes whenever you shop at Neiman Marcus. They only come with the original dust bag. So that is what they gave me, the dust bag in there. And then there is just tissue paper in the bag, and then of course the gift receipt. Like I said, it is a luxury piece that I've always wanted, and it is a very popular one. It is the YSL Uptown pouch, and I got it in this beautiful color because I think it's going to go great with so many outfits. You can pair this up with beige, with white, with black, with pink, and it is just beautiful. Look how gorgeous she is. So this is a pouch and it is magnetic. On the inside it has the Saint Laurent tag, and it's in this beautiful black lining. And this is what it looks like once it's closed. This is beautiful. I am in love with it. Like I said, I did see this in the store and I actually walked by it, went back, looked at it again, and it's beautiful. It's everything I expected. It is in this beautiful like grained leather. It is very, very soft. So this is more like a clutch dash pouch, and it's called the Uptown pouch because you can literally put your like cell phone in there, a lipstick, your keys, a wallet, and I'm sure you can fit a couple more things in there. But this is more like a dressy style type of a pouch. So the reason why I've always wanted this is because whenever you go out to dinner, you don't want to carry like your big purse. So this is perfect. You just put in your essentials in there and you hold it like this, and it just looks so pretty and so elegant. I am obsessed with it. It also came in like a cream color and black, but this is the color I've always wanted because like I said, I think it goes perfect with so many outfits. Here is a close-up and it is so beautiful. It's like the perfect gold. I couldn't be any more happier with this beautiful pouch. I've seen some women carry it like this, or also just like this in your hands. I am obsessed. So I'm going to add some items in my Uptown pouch so you can see what fits inside and how it looks once we fill it up. I did want to also let you know that they do sell these like conversion kits that you can buy them on Amazon. I'm going to link it here so you know what I mean, but it's something really cool. It's like a piece that you insert here on the inside, and then it has a chain. So you can convert this into an actual like crossbody purse or like a small purse. I think this here retails for about $800 and then plus the tax. But like I said, it's a piece that I've always wanted, and I am thrilled with my gift that my husband got me. So let's go ahead and fill it up and see how it looks. So that was it for today's video on my new beautiful Uptown pouch. I love you all so much. I hope you have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.